Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video now where we for go shop for our fridge. So we dey buy some electronics for our house. Now I know say some time ago I announce here say we don't buy house, so we still dey renovate am, we still dey buy a lot of things, and we still dey do some other things for the house. So for this video now, we go for electronic shop, we go carry new fridge, okay? And I still dey renovate my kitchen. When e go finish, I'll come show now how my kitchen dey before and how e dey now. But first of all, I need fridge, because the one I dey use for my house now, not be say e no big o, e big, but the freezer e no dey too dey contain things again. So now we just go for this place here, Uniero, na they call am for Italy here. Na there for the buy electronics. So we come dey try to select the kind of fridge when I need. They have different products. They have Candy, they have LG, Philips, Samsung. So now depends on the product. Now so that they put the price. Now they see here now some of them are 650 euro. They get the one of 1,000. They get the one of 2,500. Depends, okay? So we are just trying to pick one. Not be say if we buy am today now, maybe by 2 years or 3 years still change am. E get as e be. And some other things when we still shop for, I will show now for this video. Now see the fridge now, they are so beautiful, very nice, expensive, and quality. Now quality now it matters a lot. So the person was just trying to explain how the power of the fridge reach. Now see a different type here, you understand? So they get the one of 10 years guarantee, the one of 5 years, the one of 3 years. Now depends on the product, okay? So we don't carry the one when we carry, maybe that one anytime when we don't through for house, I'll come show now, okay? And my kitchen also. Now we are still working in my kitchen by the special grace of God. After everything, I will come and show it to you guys. And also we also shop for they have blenders, you know, air fryers. Guys, it's so amazing. So I record everything. You guys should stay tuned and watch this video. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please try and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. And if you find my video helpful or interesting, or you like what I do here, please give my video a thumbs up. So my husband was just checking for the fridge, you know, opening everything. Look at it. So this one, actually my daughter was saying, oh, this one is beautiful, let's carry this one. It's no matter of beautiful, now the quality na im be the thing, okay? So the one when I get for my house now, that one don't be say not the quality, but the freezer is no longer enough for me. I know they feed, they cook food all the time. As a mother now, cook food all the time, so space not too big for the freezer when they for the fridge, the one when I dey use now. So we are just trying to replace everything in the house. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this video. I think say I don't talk rich. So don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.